So hello everyone. In the last video we have discussed about formatted input functions which are integer, float, char, string, etc. Okay. So as we know, scanf function is used to read the integer input. Okay. Whether it is integer type, float type, character type or a string type. Okay. For all the purpose we use the scanf function to read the input data. Okay. Similarly, for formatted output function we use printf function to display the data on the standard output device. Okay. So, standard output device means through monitor we can display the data or the output, okay, in the form of a result. Okay. So, the printf function is included in the header file called stdio.h, right. So, the general form of formatted output function is printf within the parenthesis within the double quotation control string comma variable list. Okay. It is similar to scanf, only thing is instead of a address list you have to take variable list. Okay. So, control string is nothing but the type and format of the values to be displayed, means in which format you are going to display the result. Okay. And here also you can take more than one conversion character or one character also, and it should be enclosed within the double quotation comma variable list. So, variable list is a list of variables to be displayed on the monitor. Okay. You might be display one variable or you may also display more than one variables based on your data or your program. Okay. So, how many variables you are going to display, you can display in a variable list, right. So, printf, control string and a variable list. So, here we see some examples for a printf. So, first one printf in the double quotation I have just written programming is an art. Okay. If you want to just print anything, any message, then you can also print using printf and it should be enclosed within a double quotation. Here I am not using any conversion character, that is %d, %c, %f and all. Okay. Just I am taking only the printf function and within the double quotation write the sentence as a programming is an art. You can also write it is in a capital letter or in a uppercase letter. Okay. That is not the problem. Next function is a printf %d number. Okay. So, here I have taken a control string that is a %d. %d means it print the integer type of data. Okay. So, where it is printing in number. So, number is a variable. So, in number whatever the number you have been read, that value will be print in a number. Suppose number is equal to 2. So, that number will be print. Okay. In third example, %d, %f, p and a q. Okay. So, as I have told, more than one conversion character can also take in a control string, but there is no comma or semicolon between two conversion character, but you can use a space, only blank space you can use within the two conversion character p and a q. P is a integer type of data and q is a floating point of data. Okay. So, based on the integer based on the conversion character you can print. Okay. The last example is printf sum of three numbers is equal to sum. Okay. Means in this format also you can print the result. Sum of three numbers is equal to sum. Suppose sum is equal to 20, then sum of three numbers is equal to 20, it will print. Okay. So, these are the some examples of a printf. Now, we will see the types of a formatted output. So, first one is a integer output. Okay. So, as we have done in a scanf, so here also same thing, the integer number can be displayed on the monitor by using %d character group. Okay. Suppose the variable int var. So, the variable int var is to be displayed and its value is a 234. Then the statement would be %d int var, means in int var the value 234 will be print. Okay. And what conversion character we have taken? %d, because we have already read the %d in a scanf. Okay. And int var was the variable, and here also you have to take the same variable. Okay. If you have taken only variable, then here you should take variable. If you have taken int var, then also you have to take int var. Whatever the variable you have used or you have declared or you have used in the scanf, the same thing you have to take in printf and in other also. Okay. So suppose the variable value is a 234, then it will print like this. As I told, all the digits are right justified, means from the rightmost corner the digits will be print, that is 4, 3 and 2. Okay. The field width can also be specified for the proper format of displaying on the screen. For example, printf %5d and the variable is x. Okay, 5 means the width, the field width is a 5, that is a fixed field width is 5 and the variable which you are printing. So in x variable what value you are printing? 67861. Okay, and what is the field width of 5? So in the 5 field width, all 5 digits will be fit, then it will print 67861. Suppose x is equal to only 678. Okay, the field width is 5 only, but we are printing only 3 digits, that is from the right corner. Okay, so that is 678 it will print, and 2 blank space just it will ignore, it will not print that blank spaces. Next one is a floating point output. A floating point number can be displayed either in decimal form or in a scientific notation. Okay, the %f and %e characters are used respectively for this purpose. So for example, printf %f and x. Okay, so here %f is a conversion character or a control string, and x is a variable of type float data type. And suppose if you are printing x is equal to 24, then how it will print? 24.0. Why it will print 0.0? Because we have declared x as a floating point. So 24.0. Suppose it is a 50, so 50.0. Okay. So another example, printf %6.2f and p. %6.2f, 6 means it is a field width, as we have seen in the integer part. So 6 is a field width, that is total field width. 0.2f means after decimal point only 2 digits it will print. Okay, it may be any digits, but after the decimal point whatever the value you mention, only that many number of digits it will consider and print. Okay, for example, p is equal to, p means what? It is a variable which you are going to print. P is equal to 543.671. So same thing, the fixed field width is a 6. Okay, so here I have taken 6 field width. Okay, so before the decimal point how many digits are there? 3, that is 543 point, that is a decimal point. And after the decimal point how many digits we have mentioned? 2f, that is only 2. So it will consider only 2 digits, that is a 6 7. So it will not print, it will not consider that is last digit 1, because the field width is a 6 and we are trying to print 7 digits. So that it is not possible, means whatever the format we have taken, only in that format the numbers will be print. Okay. So character output. So character output means here single character or a group of characters are used to display on the standard output device by using printf function. So similarly, % is used to print the single character and %s is used to print the group of character. Okay, for example, printf %c ch. So ch is a variable and is of type char, where ch is a variable of type char. So similarly, %s book. So book is a variable of type string, that is s means a string, c means character. So before using book, that is a string variable, so first you have to declare it. So why we should declare means, to read the character, to print the character, we should declare the string in the form of a like this, char book of, in the square bracket mention the size. Okay, you can take any size, char book of 10, 10 means maximum 10 characters you can print. If you have taken a 20, then maximum 20 character you can print. Okay, if the string is C program, then within the 10 character it will print like this, C blank space program and the last one is a blank. Okay, so this is a pictorial representation how the characters are print in a printf statement. Okay, so this is about the character output. So thank you, see you in the next video.